When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Never discourage anyone who continually makes progress, no matter how slow, even if that someone is yourself. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Wealth is like seawater. The more we drink, the thirstier we become. And the same is true of fame. As you grow older, you will discover that you have two hands, one for helping yourself, the other for helping others. Self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. The best day of your life is the one on which you decide your life is your own. No apologies or excuses. No one to lean on, rely on, or blame. The gift is yours. It is an amazing journey, and you alone are responsible for the quality of it. This is the day your life really begins. Never buy a thing seduced by its cheapness. Such a thing in the long run will cost you dearly. A false friend and a shadow. Attend only while the sun shines. It is a shame for a man to grow old without seeing the beauty and strength of which his body is capable. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. The reason so many people never get anywhere in life is because when opportunity knocks, they are out in the backyard looking for four-leaf clovers. Many people take no care of their money till they come early to the end of it, and others do just the same with their time. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. I can't give you a surefire formula for success, but I can give you a formula for failure. Try to please everybody all the time. 3 things never come back: time, word, and opportunity. Therefore, do not waste time. Choose words and do not miss the opportunity. Don't chase relationships. Instead, focus on your growth, values, and cultivating kindness. The right person will find their way to you at the perfect moment without the need for chasing. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.